5 companies investing in the Metaverse. Spend a few minutes anywhere in the global tech market and you're likely to hear mention of the Metaverse. While the term itself isn't a new one, the technology behind Metaverse is revolutionary. From changing the way we socialize with each other to finding new ways to enjoy far-off places, the Metaverse is the next big thing in technology. With that said, not every company is fancy with the technology yet. Despite this, there are a number of global brands that have embraced the idea of change and innovation and have already started the research and development process for the Metaverse. From global tech companies like Meta itself to gaming companies like Epic Games, there's no telling just how expansive the Metaverse will be. In this guide, we will highlight 5 global tech brands that are leading the way in Metaverse research and development. Meta. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is leading the way in Metaverse research and development. Meta changed its name from Facebook in 2021 as a way to usher in a new era of technology. Their role in development hopes to bring users and players into a vast network of 3D virtual worlds while also maintaining player identity. Metaverse, the company, is also working to create a supercomputer that can fully support the Metaverse. This supercomputer is slated to be created within the European Union in hopes to bring more jobs to the territory. Microsoft. Microsoft is currently working on a series of apps for the Metaverse on top of the Mesh platform. Along with that, the company is working to build an augmented reality chipset for the Metaverse with Qualcomm. The goal of this process is to provide access to new features as the technology develops. In terms of video gameplay within the Metaverse, Microsoft is working to update its AltSpace VR technology to create a safer place for users to play. Apple. Apple's role in the development of the Metaverse comes from the creation of a head-mounted system used for virtual meeting apps like Zoom. This technology will also incorporate the use of hand and arm movements to increase presence and help with in-meeting interaction. As one of the biggest tech companies currently out there, it should come as no surprise that Apple's large budget for research and development will be used within the Metaverse. Roblox Corporation. The corporation behind the Roblox game is currently working to build a creator economy as well as offering an open gaming platform where users can build their own world. The popularity of this game in terms of the Metaverse is that it's helping to build the business model for how the Metaverse will operate. Along with the ability to create unique games and worlds within the platform, Roblox has also delved into the entertainment industry by hosting virtual concerts for a variety of popular artists. Epic Games. Epic Games, the company responsible for Fortnite, Battle Royale and other popular video games, has made it to the forefront of Metaverse innovation. In fact, Epic Games announced in 2021 that it invested $1 million into the research and development of the Metaverse. In addition to that $1 million investment, the gaming company has also invested funds into Spyro animation studios to help bring fantastical worlds and characters into the Metaverse. Parting thoughts. The companies we covered here aren't the be-all and end-all of the Metaverse. In fact, more big tech corporations are joining the ranks every day. With so many brilliant technical minds being used together, there's no question that the Metaverse is going to be epic.